are back for another vlog out in the garage. It's actually evening time. What time is it? Well, it's not really evening time, but it feels like evening time.
10 till 5.
It's like 10 till 5, but 5:30 here in West Virginia, it's already like dark outside. I mean,
dark out there now.
Yeah, it's getting pretty dark out. But anyways, hey, don't look it on camera. People's gonna be like, no, it ain't. Stupid. But anyways, we are in the garage. I wasn't going to be out here today, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to go out here and just start piddling. And then I've actually put up a bunch of lights in the shop, so hopefully it's a whole lot brighter. I still got like 9 more lights I got to put up. I know it's a lot, but I do want it, you know, really bright in here. So when I'm working on something, it's not like I'm in a cave or anything. It already feels like I am. Anyways, today we are back on the first gen. It's been a while. I didn't really abandon the girl. It just had other things going on. But we're back. Today we are actually, I've been debating on it and debating, and I think I'm going to. I've got all the leaf spring bolts loose. I've got the dry shaft loose. I just got to take that off. And now I'm going to bring the rear end out. I'm going to put jack stands under probably here. I got the exhaust up too, but I'm going to put jack stands here and lay the truck down on the jack stand so I can roll the rear end out, because I'm going to clamp the rear end and everything. Tomorrow I'm going to go get the new drums, cylinders, also if I can think of a hardware kit, brake shoes, all that tomorrow, and new shocks and stuff. But I want to get all that out because I do want to paint this real good, and I really couldn't get back here in the crevice, and this truck just means so much to me. I want to make sure I get, I guess, every little thing, but I don't want to go over too detailed. But I'm going to pull it out because I want to put new U-bolts and everything on here and just make it look a whole lot better. We're going to do new bolts and everything on everything, but that's just, I'm going to do it. So yeah. Alright, so I've got every bolt out except for this one, and where I was hitting it with the hammer through, I should have left basically the nut on it, but I didn't, and it got a burr, so when I was trying to hit it through, it was catching. So I'm going to take my grinder, grind around it good, and it should slide on through. Alright, so we are ready to take it out. Of course, had some wood scotch in. Make sure you scotch your front wheels, because you probably want to do that. Your front wheels. There we go. Your front wheels, make sure you scotch them. We got this out. It is good to go. I'm going to move that and hopefully roll it out. And then we can clean the frame up some and paint it. I don't know if we're going to get painted tonight, but it is pretty chilly. But we do have the old torpedo heater. And it gets it pretty hot here, especially when you work and everything. But we have to have like a consistency, so I'll probably do it during the day. We'll try not to knock the truck off the jack stands. Alright, somebody want to move? Alright. So, we got the wheels off. What I'll probably do is jack this up and move the jack stands on the back so they're not in the front. So, I've been cleaning up the frame and stuff. I just rolled that over. Been cleaning up the frame. It's pretty good. It's actually too late this evening. I'm not going to paint it or anything or start on it. So, in the morning, I'll probably come out and start painting on the frame. Well, I got to clean it a little bit better and stuff, but I got to blow it off and stuff because it does have still some dust and stuff on it. Just been going over it with a Scotch-Brite pad and stuff. It said that you can't paint it with rust, but I don't want any loose chunks. That way, later on it falls, a little piece falls off, and there's just the exposed spot. So trying to get all that loose stuff off. My goal is to go all the way up to the cab there, and eventually I'll do under the cab and all that. But this is just my main goal back here. Tomorrow I'm also going to pick up the brakes and everything for this. I'm going to try to find some new U-bolts and stuff because I just rather use new stuff. Eventually I am going to probably order tomorrow a new plate to go on back, maybe a chrome one or something like that. My brake line, if I can see my brake line, it's the copper tubing. I've got the brake line like bender and also the flare tool so we can make everything fit. That copper brake line is going to look so good on that black, so good. And here is the fuel line. Now I think it's like 25 foot. It's braided, and we got the connectors because these connectors are the type that the fuel cell take. But we might get some more fuel line. Don't know just yet. But it is. I think we did a 1/2 inch because I think it might be a 1/2 inch. It don't say. No, it's 10 foot, not 25 foot. So probably don't have to get some more. But I think I got a 1/2 inch or something like that. I'm not for sure what size fuel line I got. But I got bigger than what was needed. Because when we do slap a V8 in this thing, I want to have big enough fuel line for it and not have to worry about changing it. So, but all that is good. But anyways, I just see it's cold enough for the heater to kick on the garage, so I don't want to really paint or anything. But I am going to pick up the rest of the parts of that, the shocks and everything like that. So we'll be able to hopefully start putting everything back together. I got the fuel lines and brake lines, like I said, but I want to get the frame completely coated, and then I'll start putting the leaves from rear end, everything under there. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like that. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you punch that subscribe button. This is Ghost.
Okay.
And we are out of here.